What happens after you buy a Forza? Spoiler, it doesn't arrive alone. Imagine getting your luxury car delivered with gas, insurance, sport rims, license plate, permits, everything included. At Forza, that's how we do it. It's called the 360 service. Here, the experience begins the moment your machine touches the ground. And what does that mean? Let me tell you. But first, let me show you how our clients experience it. Installing machines in workshops that are hard to access? We've done it more than once. The 360 service isn't just about delivering a machine. It's about delivering production up and running from day one. Delivery, full installation, technical setup, training at your own pace. It's not a good luck, it's here's your Forza, already calibrated, already ready to produce. And yes, even if you didn't know what the installation experience would be like, just like Raul Franco.
Well, thank you very much to all of you for empowering me as well, because I think this is a way to empower oneself, being clearly recognized. And well, I think that fear is always a little less when you have solid support, which is thanks to you. I feel, well, yes, supported and backed by Forza, and that's what gives me more confidence to make decisions and to venture into new markets, because I know I have I think it's the ideal partner.
What more can you tell us about FORZA Laser's unwavering commitment to providing what we proudly call a comprehensive 360-degree service experience to each and every valued client?
We can actually make dreams come true, okay? Within this dream fulfillment, what do you expect as a client? That everything goes perfectly, right? That's what we aim for, how to achieve that perfection and fulfill the client's dream.
Later, when they were installed, honestly, I was eager to see them in action and start watching them work. But it was really exciting to gradually discover the machine's capabilities, And when people started getting involved, there was that typical anxiety from some of us, like my generation, for example, where we want to see everything done quickly and perfectly. So this process is slower, more relaxed, and honestly, it's been there.
It was good.
Exceptionally good.
And how has your experience been with FORZA Laser?
Everything went absolutely perfectly well. We successfully made the comprehensive contract, the agreed and full payment was promptly made, and you efficiently sent all the necessary equipment. In fact, you even came for a thorough preliminary visit to carefully assess exactly what the facilities truly needed. I was exceptionally satisfied with the entire process. So, honestly, I have absolutely no hesitation whatsoever in wholeheartedly recommending your outstanding services.
But what happens if something breaks down after installation? This is where Forza plays its strongest card. We provide you with technical support in less than 7 minutes. And if things get serious, we'll be wherever you are in less than 48 hours. The warranty? A real 4 years. On the head, the resonator, on everything. And yes, there's still more, because the 360 doesn't end when we turn on the machine. Forza 360 service is more than just installation. It means having a team that lands in your workshop like a Formula One pit crew, ready to get everything up and running. It comes turnkey, with Forza Play, Forza Library, and vectors included. It comes with real support, tangible results, and productivity from minute one. Because Forza doesn't just sell hardware, we build workshops ready to compete.